Hello YouTubers and welcome. I am back to show the sound quality of this, because in the first sound test it didn't really review the sound of this. Now, this song isn't the bassiest of songs out there, but it does produce a good amount of bass on this Zealot speaker. Please note there will be the other speaker coming. I have reviewed it, but I haven't uploaded the video yet because, I'm kind of a bit annoyed with the speaker at the moment. So yeah, that's why I kind of haven't uploaded that. But anyway, without further ado, let's begin with doing part 2 on this. By the way, the song in the background is NCS. There's no distortion, it's just the song going through the speaker. And the amp in this isn't the best on the tablet.
When I see you dancing, I know you're a Dan. It's some kind of magic. We both know it right away. I can hear the party.
I've got other speakers with the same song to play as well.
We both know it right away. When I see you dancing, I know you're a Dan. It's some kind of magic. We both know it right away. I can hear the party. Don't want it to end. I feel this vibe goes from my heart right to my fingertips. My fingertips.
This is a 10-watt speaker, by the way.
Tell me now how much you're into me. Oh, right away. I feel this vibe goes from my heart right to my fingertips. My fingertips. Oh, I need you. Tell me now how much you're into me. Oh, right away.
There's no bass boost, by the way. This is as natural as it comes off the tablet and the speaker. That's the name.
When I see you dancing, I know you're a Dan. It's some kind of magic. We both know it right away. I can hear the party. Don't want it to end. Getting real excited. We both know it right away. When I see you dancing, I know you're a Dan. It's some kind of magic. We both know it right away. I can hear the party. Don't want it to end. Getting real excited. I feel this vibe goes from my heart right to my fingertips. My fingertips. Oh, I need you. Tell me now how much you're into me. Oh, right away. This vibe goes from my heart right to my fingertips. My fingertips. Oh, I need you. Tell me now how much you're into me. Oh, right away.
Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and goodbye.